Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how do you use Honey on Amazon. So firstly, what you're going to do, just go to Join Honey. All right, so when you get to Join Honey, so you can just do that on your Google. So just click on it. All right, so and then what you're going to do now here, you're going to click on Add to Chrome. So just click on it and then add it to your Chrome browser extension. So just hit on Add to Chrome. All right, an extension, just do that. And then once this is done, all right, okay, so now, okay, so what you're going to do now here is you're going to join. So you can just join with either way. You can choose any of these options here. So I'm going to join with Google. I'm just going to click on it. So it just basically you're just signing in. All right, so I'm going to do that. All right, okay, that's it. So once this is done, all right, so let's finish up with this signing up. All right, okay. All right, that's done. So I'll just click on next tab. I don't want all these I don't want to finish all these demos, so I'll just skip all this demo. So now, all right, I'm now here. Okay, that's all good now. So what I'm going to do now here is under the search bar, I'm going to search for Amazon. I'm going to search for Amazon, and then I will be here. I'll be seeing all the all right, so once you search for Amazon and then click on the Amazon coupons, so here you should see all the Amazon coupons here, which, so that's the one. So these are, you'll see all the available coupons, so you can just choose any of these that you wish to use it, and then hit on start shopping, and then you'll get the code, and then you can just get to your you can just use the code, and that's okay. All right, so what you're going to do, and when you check out, you're just going to use this code when you check out, and that's how you're going to use this code on Amazon. So that's pretty much this. So you can just browse through it and choose the one that you wish to use, and then that's it. You just use that code when you check out on Amazon. That's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful. I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.